Hello everybody, welcome to my cooking show. Thank you for tuning in. Today we are making a very simple nopali and eggs omelet, and these are the items you will be needing. I have here some nopales that are already cooked, and they have some diced tomato, onion, cilantro, and a little bit of jalapeno. But if you don't want them spicy, then you could just do the regular. These are just cooked, and they've got a little bit of salt in them. That's all they have. They're plain. And then I've got 4 eggs and a little bowl because we're just making for a couple people. And then this whisk. I also like to add a little bit of this garlic salt for taste, and I don't use too much salt, so I use this Dash garlic herb seasoning blend. Let's get cracking. Crack your eggs, put them in the bowl, just a dash of Dash, and just a little bit of garlic salt. Not too much. And you whisk it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just a quick little easy breakfast. It's very healthy. Nopales are very healthy for diabetics, for people watching their weight, for lowering your blood sugar. Alrighty, now that that's done, just put as much as you want in the mix. It's up to you. You know, maybe two handful. Okay, now that my saucepan is ready, it's got a little bit of oil, a little bit of olive oil. You could use whichever oil you like, and then just drop it in there. Medium heat. I usually like to put the cover on. That way it cooks evenly. Give it a few minutes. Depending on your frying pan, it looks, you see how it looks? It's cooked from one side, from the bottom. Toss it over. Whoops. So it's just 3 minutes each side. Alrighty, let's toss it over. See how the other side is doing. Looks like it's done. It looks good. Just fold it. It's nice and brown on one side. It's thoroughly cooked.